Hi, I'm Sita from Shandor. My profession is that I'm a travel agent. The reason that I have joined for this protest, Moyat Korso Naka, is we have come to know the ill effects of coal that is going to pass through Goa to the other states. And also we know why it is being done. It is not for the benefit of us Goans. We are not going to get anything out of it. In fact, our villages, our beautiful village of Shandor will be the most affected because we came to know that it's going to be a main hub where coal will be transported through the river, brought in and will be taken to the other states by the railway. And we are going to object it thoroughly. At any cost, we will not allow this to happen in Shandor at least. We are going to fight in whatever way we can to stop this. And we want to give a clear message to the government that we villages of Shandor and Bidoli will never allow the coal to pass through our village. And also it will affect, if the coal comes through our village, it is going to affect our tourism industry. Our main industry is the tourism that people are dependent today. Due to pandemic as it is, all of us are jobless. And the government has not even thought about us in any way to help. Everybody is struggling today. And imagine if the coal comes after a few years. You think the people will come to Goa for tourism? Who's interested in coming to the beaches when the beaches will be having black coal on its beaches, on our beaches? I completely condemn this act of the government. They have to come clear on this, whether they are going to stop it or not. Otherwise, this movement will go on till we say no, and we will not allow it. And we need to save Goa for our future generation.